Welcome, Counterpunch traders. We're going to do a week in review of oil. We traded in our trade room 4 days a week. This was from the 1st through the 4th. Today was the 5th non-farm payroll. We can glance at that and see how it did. Again, I'll just kind of walk you through, teach you the setups. We start at 8:50. You can see the time down here. It's 8:33. We get in sync with the trade that's still valid, but every trade, I'll just click on this trade right here, this white trade, and highlight it for you. Every trade has entries, stops, and targets, and for some reason my drawing tool is not working very well. But anyway, entry, stops, and targets, money management, the first dot, full target, the second dot. You can also have a third target. The stop is down here. You've got a kind of a dashed line. But again, all the numbers are here. And so this is a big trade. So if you were in this trade starting at about 6 in the morning, it obviously went on and did very well. The stop will then move up and trail, along the way. Like here's where the stop moved up. Yeah, my TradeStation drawing tool is very bad, but luckily I've marked the charts up earlier in the week. So again, we're going to start at 8:50. That's just to give you an idea of the trade size. Here, I've got a line for 8:50. So here's a trade we could get in sync with, right? So if the market comes back up to here, we're going to go long from this green plus, right, at 60.07. But what did it do? It moved the other way. So look, you have a short trade right here. There's the entry, stop, targets. They're all here in the data window, and it triggers in. So we're short. Follow along. What does it do? At target 1, what do we do? Reduce risk, bring the stop down right here. Just showing you here, the stop on this initial trade is 22 ticks. Target 2 is 21 ticks. And so it does go on down. Trailer gets 7 ticks. So one and done. We were done that day in 10 minutes. So you made a total of 21 and 7 ticks. All right, so let's go to Tuesday. Okay, here we are Tuesday. We don't do anything different. We look to see if we can get in sync. Well, look at this. All right, here's a trade that came at 8:44. Remember, we started at 8:55. So you would get in sync with this trade if you can. Here was the start time. So if you cheated and went a little bit early, about 30 seconds early, you would have gotten it. But we're planning on this is the official trade. And so there's our entry at 34. The stop is at 56. We just tick in, and what does the market do? Comes back and stops us out. Now you can see right in here, it's a little iffy. But so we lost 38 ticks on that. But here is an entry to go long. So it reduced risk from 56 to 53. And on this white trade, target 2 is up here at 76. So let's see. So we trigger in. We go up, we hit money management, the stop moves, goes on up to full target, target 2. So we gained 34 ticks. So we lost 38 on the first trade, that's 2 position, and we gained 34 on the second trade because the trailer only got you plus 11. So that's that trade. So we take the next trade. What do we have? Again, it's very visual. Look, here we trigger in, doesn't hit target 1, possible stop and reverse. It doesn't. Possible stop and reverse. It doesn't. And the trade ends up going on money management and target 2. So again, 31 ticks on target 2, 32 ticks on the trailer. You profited 63 ticks from this trade alone. All right, let's go on to Wednesday and wrap this thing up. All right, here we go. Coming in, 8:35. See what we're going to do. There's an entry at 19. The stop's at 51. So this is a big trade. We're going to try and get in sync with it maybe, right? So here is our start time. We have another long here. And again, this was a short. So you've got, you're going to take this short trade right down here because we can't really, I don't think we can quite get in sync with that. I mean, that would be where you'd want to do. 51, so you could get in sync with this purple short, entry at 19, stop at 51, it goes down, and then it does start coming up. But here it's hard to see because I've got these numbers here. There's a reduction of risk from 51 down to 26, so a big reduction in your risk. And so you go long. You lost 54 ticks. Actually, I think I had us going short at this one down here. And in any case, you know, come back up, and you get a break even, +2. So this trade got to money management, but that's all. So you had a loss on the first trade, a break even on the second trade. We're looking for a third trade right here. This purple, you can see, triggers in, goes to money management. The trailer moves up, and then it goes on up to full target, gain of 54. So again, you won 54 and 53. That outweighs your loss of, let's get rid of that, of 54 ticks. So again, you're winning every day. Let's take a look at our final Thursday, and then I may glance at Friday. Here we go. Again, right edge of the chart. You're coming in at 850. Can you get in sync with this trade to go long? Yes. We go long at 41 here. It does stop out, and you go short. You have a loss of 38. That short trade goes down, hits money management, hits your full target almost. It came one tick to full target, and it was a big trade. It was 32 ticks to the second target. It got one tick to target. So again, anytime it hits one tick to full target, we consider that a full target winner. You mark it out. I assumed you only got 25 ticks out of the 32. So you had a gain of 41. You had the loss of 38. You're positive for the day. You're done. So no need to trade any further. Again, you didn't make a lot of money that day, but you didn't lose. And I will glance to quickly non-farm payroll. Friday the 5th. We're going to come in, get in sync here. What have we got? We got this short purple trade. So we're in the purple trade. All right. Your stop's up here. Okay, let's see what happens. Goes down, beautiful, hits target 1. You can see the purple trailer moves on down and hits target 2. Trails, trails, trails. So again, beautiful Friday. You add up the pips. Again, we did not have a losing day all week. I showed you some stop and reverses, so that's good. I showed you the size of the trades. You know, you got 25 ticks of risk, sometimes a little bit more, but that's probably an average. 23, 25. If you can handle that, then you can handle counterpunch. Good trading.